This video focuses on the temperature sensor. This piece is fairly self-explanatory. It's like a thermometer, as it detects the temperature of the area around it. The part of the smartware that actually senses temperature is on the end of the small piece that sticks out of the top. This is so that it can get an accurate temperature reading, as it isn't covered by a case which would change its exposure. The temperature sensor can be artificially heated up by holding the sensor between your fingers, but it will need to cool down before it can get an accurate reading once again. Since it is an input smartware, it only has one block, which allows us to read the data gathered by the device. This block is the Read Temperature Data block, which gives you the current temperature of the surrounding area in either Celsius on the left or Fahrenheit on the right. It also shows you a small temperature gauge in the middle, so you can see how relatively hot or cold it is. The temperature data can be sent to other blocks in the program as raw data in Celsius or in Fahrenheit. Let's create an alarm with the temperature sensor, where the light on the qubit LED will flash if the temperature in the room gets too hot. First, grab a Read Temperature Data block from the temperature sensor menu. Then, grab an Is Value Greater Than block from the Comparators menu. Link the Fahrenheit pin from the temperature block to the Value pin on the Greater Than block. Set the limit on the Greater Than block to be the temperature you want to be notified of. I put 80, since I want to stay cool. Loop the Not Greater link back to the temperature sensor, so it will keep gathering data. Now, grab two Set Qubit LED color blocks, and one Wait block. Link one LED block to the Greater pin, the Wait block to the first LED block, and the second LED block to the Wait block. Set the first color to be any color but black, and the second color to be black. Then, loop this part back to the temperature block as well. Once you have this done, launch the code. Now, whenever it gets too hot in the surrounding environment, the LED on the qubit will flash until the environment cools down. That was the overview for the temperature sensor smartware and the Read Temperature Data block. Hopefully now you have a full understanding of how the block works and what you can do with it in your plans.